Mastering subject lines in email writing. Welcome to our English language learning video on mastering subject lines in email writing. In this video, we will explore the importance of subject lines and provide you with valuable tips to make your email subject lines effective and attention-grabbing. So, let's dive in. Subject lines play a crucial role in email communication. They act as the first impression and determine whether your email will be opened or ignored. A well-crafted subject line can make your email stand out in a crowded inbox. Here are a few reasons why subject lines are so important. 1. Grab attention. A concise and compelling subject line captures the recipient's attention and increases the chances of your email being opened. 2. Indicate relevance. A clear subject line helps the recipient understand the purpose and relevance of your email, making it more likely to be prioritized and responded to. 3. Filter and organize. Subject lines enable recipients to quickly filter and organize their emails, making it essential to provide a meaningful summary of your message. Now that we understand the importance of subject lines, let's explore some strategies to write effective ones. Keep it concise. The ideal subject line should be brief and to the point. Aim for around 4 to 8 words to ensure clarity and avoid overwhelming the recipient. Remember, brevity is key. Highlight key information. Include the most important information in your subject line. Whether it's a meeting request, a deadline reminder, or a question, make sure to highlight the key details that will entice the recipient to open your email. Be specific and descriptive. Provide a clear indication of the email's content. Instead of using vague subject lines like important or update, opt for specific and descriptive phrases that give the recipient a clear idea of what to expect. Use action-oriented language. Engage the recipient with action-oriented language. Utilize verbs and phrases that convey a sense of urgency or excitement, encouraging the recipient to open your email promptly. Personalize when appropriate. Personalize subject lines when it's suitable. Including the recipient's name or referencing a recent conversation can make your email feel more relevant and increase the likelihood of it being opened. To ensure your subject lines are effective, it's important to avoid some common mistakes that can hinder their impact. Steer clear of ambiguity. Avoid vague or ambiguous subject lines that leave the recipient uncertain about the email's purpose. Clarity is key to capturing attention and encouraging action. Skip the clickbait. While catchy subject lines can be effective, avoid misleading or clickbait-style statements. Honesty and authenticity are essential in maintaining trust and building strong relationships. Be mindful of length. Avoid lengthy subject lines that may get cut off or appear overwhelming in the recipient's inbox. Stick to a concise length that ensures the subject line is fully visible and easily scannable. Congratulations! You've learned valuable techniques for mastering subject lines in email writing. Remember to keep your subject lines concise. Highlight key information. Be specific and descriptive. Use action-oriented language, and personalize when appropriate. Additionally, avoid common mistakes such as ambiguity, clickbait, and excessive length. By following these tips, you can greatly enhance the impact and effectiveness of your email subject lines. Keep practicing, and soon you'll become a subject line pro. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your email writing endeavors.